This is problem number 5 from the 2012 AP Calculus exam. The graph of the function f is shown above. Which of the following statements is false? So let's go ahead and check each one. In part A, the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x exists. So we're looking at the function as we're approaching 2 from the left and from the right. And as we look at the function, we're trying to find out, does it meet or not? And it does. And so the limit does exist as we approach 2 from the left and the right. And that value is 2. So that one's a true statement. Let's look at part B. It's asking, as we approach the value of 3, as the limit as x approaches 3, f of x exists. So I'm going to erase what we have. And so the limit as you approach 3 from the left and 3 from the right, you're approaching the function itself. That limit has a limit of 5, and they are meeting, so that also exists. So that's true. Let's go to the next one. We have for part C, the limit as x is approaching 4 of f of x exists. So let's check. As we approach 4 from the left and from the right, coming from the left, I have a limit of 2, and as I come from the right, I have a limit of 4. They don't meet. It's not the same value, and so this does not exist. It fails to exist, so this one's false. And this would be our answer, and we could stop here. If we want to check the others, we could. The next one is the limit as x is approaching 5 of f of x exists. So as we look at the limit as x is approaching 5 from the left and from the right, we're going to be looking at coming from the left and coming from the right. We see that it meets and has a limit of 6, and so that one does exist. And then on part E, it says the function f is continuous at x equals 3. And we see that as we're looking at the value of x equals 3, the value of the function at 3, let's try again. So at 3, we see that it is continuous. I do not have a break in the graph of any kind. It's not a jump discontinuity, and it's not a point discontinuity. It is continuous at that point. So that is true there as well. So the only one that was false was letter C, and that is our answer.